Templates give you a consistent way to have your contracts at hand. However, you are stuck manually adding each person's details every time you send a document with multiple signers. So, we've added support for up to 6 roles per template that you can define as needed. Let's learn how. Head to the Templates area of the Documents and Contracts tab in the Payments section and create a new template. Add fillable elements and open the To Be Signed By dropdown menu. Click Add New Role to open the Creation module. Fill out the values for first name, last name, and email, then click Save. You can use custom values for these fields. You can now route agreements with multiple signatures in a single send. Use workflows so roles will auto-populate, reducing missed or mistyped signer info and avoiding missing and duplicate emails. No more manually re-adding signer details for every multi-party agreement you send. Documents and contracts can now handle multiple signer roles and create templates that meet your specific business requirements. We hope you enjoy it.